Today I'm reviewing a home laser that uses real clinical technology for skin tightening without the clinic price. I've dug into the science behind the Dermarays Revive laser, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know before you invest. Stick around for the full breakdown because I'll show you exactly how I got these results and whether it's worth your money. Hi, I'm Jay. I make videos about biohacking, skincare, supplements, and how you can stay young and healthy. So let's see if this device is the real deal or just another overhyped gadget. The Dermarays Revive is an at-home laser device designed for skin tightening and rejuvenation. It uses a 1064 nanometer laser, which is the same wavelength used in many professional clinic laser treatments, but in a format that's FDA cleared for home use. It's the first and only home device with this power. Let me know below if you've used any of these laser treatments and how it went for you. How does this compare with other home lasers available right now? Well, it's nearly 3 times more powerful than the Nera laser. It's 100 times more powerful than the Lima laser, which I reviewed here, and 200 times more powerful than an LED mask. The key features, as I mentioned, you've got this 1064 nanometer technology. You've got multiple intensity options. It's safe for the face, the neck, and even the body, but avoid the thyroid and the eyes. It boosts collagen, tightens skin, reduces fine lines, acne scars, and redness, all from your bathroom counter. The 1064 nanometer wavelength penetrates deeper into the skin than most home use devices, targeting the dermis where collagen is made. It creates controlled micro injuries, which triggers your body's natural healing response, stimulating fibroblasts to produce new collagen. This process, called neocollagenesis, takes a few months, but it's the gold standard for real lasting skin tightening. However, this specific wavelength doesn't damage the epidermis and is only absorbed by specific tissues in the dermis itself. According to Dermarays, it doesn't go deep enough to kill off fat cells. For the first 2 weeks, you use this 3 to 4 times per week. For the next 3 weeks, you use it 2 to 3 times per week. And then after that, it's a maintenance where you use it once or twice a month. Remember to leave 24 hours between each treatment. You plug the device in and you press the power button here. This indicates which level, which intensity. So you press the power button and it goes from 1 to 3. So I'm on level 3, which is the highest level. And you press the second button under here and this will go green, which means you're ready to start. And then you hold it over wherever you're going to start, and this goes blue. That means it's working. So there are 4 sensors where the laser actually comes out. 2 of them need to be in contact with your skin, otherwise it just pauses and it doesn't work. You can hear it beeps every few seconds. That means you move to the next section. So you can either do a stamping method like this, or you can glide it across your skin to a new section every time you hear the beep. I prefer to use the stamping method like this. You can go for more than 1 beep in each section. If you've got a light skin tone, and that'd be 1 to 4 skin types, you only do 3 beeps per section. If you've got a darker skin tone, then reduce that to a maximum of 2 beeps per section. So the way I look at this is kind of like bricks in a wall. So you want to go along like you're building a wall. And I'm not actually looking at a mirror now. I normally do this in front of the mirror so I can be more precise. When you start, the first time I used this, it did feel like I had sunburn. So they advise that you use this last thing at night before you go to bed. So you have to build your tolerance to this. So you can only start on the lowest level, on level 1, and then after the second week you can move up to level 2, or stick with 1 if you can't move up to the second level. So don't go any higher than the orbital bone here because you don't want to damage your eyes. Now around the eye area, so it's super sensitive. So you don't want to hold it for too long. So you can either just glide it along for one section like this. You don't want the laser to be directed into your eye. So you want to try to hold it upwards. I specifically had some lines along here. And I do 3 beeps and I just move along like this. So you want to avoid your thyroid, which is kind of like a bow tie shaped organ here. So I do these lines along here and then I do under here. I've now done this side of my face and I've done the lines on my neck here and I've done this section here. I would now do the same thing on the other side, but I don't want the video to be too long. Let's check out the before and afters. So first of all, on this image, check out my jawline. Before it's much rounder, afterwards it's much more defined. It's very, very clear. Also, look at the lines on my neck before. There are a couple of definite lines there, and then afterwards, they're almost disappeared. I also think in general, my face looks sharper. It's lifted, it's tighter. From the left side, I can't see a massive difference. I think my skin has more of a glow, more like a healthy, radiant, reflective glow afterwards. This image here, you can definitely see under the jawline is slightly saggy in the first picture. Afterwards, that seems to have gone. And also check out the lines on my neck. Again, those lines have faded massively. And finally, if you check out this saggy area under my chin, it definitely looks like it's slightly tighter afterwards, but more noticeable. Look at the lines on my neck before and then look afterwards. Again, they've almost completely disappeared. If you want me to make another update after 3 months, please comment below and subscribe so you don't miss it. The Dermrays Revive retails for $699, but you get a discount if you use this code on screen now. You get a 90-day money-back guarantee, free shipping and a 2-year warranty. Don't use retinol afterwards as your skin may be sensitive. Don't use if you're pregnant, if you have active skin conditions or on certain medications. It's not a miracle cure. Results are gradual and depends on your skin's starting point. Always read the instructions and talk with a medical professional if unsure. My verdict. After only 30 days, I can already see my skin is lifted, tighter and glowing. So I'm super excited to see what's going to happen after 3 months, after the new collagen has a chance to grow and develop. If you want gradual, natural looking tightening and lifting and you're willing to stick with it, this device delivers. Have you tried any home lasers? If so, drop your comments below. I read and respond to every single comment and I love featuring your questions in future videos. Remember, the best anti-aging plan is prevention plus science-backed treatments. Stay curious and keep investing in your future self. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like and a subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.